welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on the frame. I'll be showing you some before pictures of the broken part when this was broken, it had a bad weld, and on the kickstand where it was totally broken off. And then I will be showing it afterwards after the cleaned up and re-welded on. All right, enjoy.
All right, so here we have the frame for the 67 Sprint. There's some problems. This had broken off probably in a crash, and someone tried re-welding it on, and I would like to take this off and clean it up and straighten it, make it look a little nicer. Then over here, the kickstand, and these are notorious for breaking on this model, and someone had tried to fix it. You know, they tried to drill a hole and bolt it together because the weld didn't hold. But I'm going to try to clean this up and get this properly fixed, so we'll have the kickstand, and clean up the frame and paint it and put the engine in it.
Hey, thank you so much for watching the video up to this point. I do appreciate you taking your time out of your busy day to watch these videos. I hope I can provide some information, or at least some entertainment, or me doing some silly, stupid things. And you can learn from those things, or learn not what to do. Anyway, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the video. And oh, by the way, I want to ask you a favor. Would you be kind enough to hit the subscribe button? Because I'd like to do more of these videos, and it's a learning process for me. And I appreciate your patience. So long. Okay, so here I have the new part welded on. I took it off, ground it all down, cleaned it up, and took it to a professional welder. He welded that on, did a beautiful job. And then down on the kickstand, I was able to get a brand new cap, a replacement cap for the broken kickstand. And it was welded back on, and then I got a new kickstand that will go there. And then when that's all done, I will be bringing it to a powder coater of the frame, the swing arm, and some miscellaneous parts. So then I can bring it back and put the engine in. That I'm looking forward to. All right, thanks a lot.